Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a critical topic for anyone building modern systems, scalability. Whether you are working at a startup or an enterprise, handling increasing demand is a common challenge, and that's where scalability comes in. So let's explore what scalability means and how to approach it. In simple terms, scalability is the ability of a system to handle increasing workloads. As your application grows and attracts more users, it needs to be able to handle the increasing demand. Lack of scalability can result in user dissatisfaction and potential loss to the business. There are two primary ways to achieve scalability: vertically and horizontally. Vertical scaling means adding more power like CPU, memory, or storage to a single server. This approach is often referred to as scaling up. It's straightforward. You upgrade your existing machine to a bigger one. It's like replacing your laptop with a more powerful version when the old one cannot keep up. It's great for simplicity. It's faster to implement since all of your data is on a single machine. It ensures better consistency. But here's the catch. Vertical scaling has limits. You are still working on one server, which becomes a single point of failure. If that machine crashes, your entire system goes down, and eventually, you will hit physical hardware limitations. There's only so much you can upgrade. Now let's talk about horizontal scaling or scaling up. This is a different approach entirely. Instead of upgrading a single machine, you add more machines to the distributed workload. Think of it as hiring more people to help with a bigger project instead of giving one person more tasks. Horizontally scaling offers huge benefits. It's more resilient because if one server fails, others can pick up the slack. It's also more scalable in the long run as there's no theoretical limit to how many machines you can add. However, it comes with added complexity. Managing multiple servers require more sophisticated software and networking, and in the short term, it can be more expensive. So which approach should you choose? That depends on your specific needs. Vertical scaling is a great option for simpler, smaller systems, or if you need a quick fix. A good example is scaling MySQL by upgrading to a larger machine. You can handle more traffic. But it's important to note that vertical scaling often involves downtime, and there's a point where you can't scale anymore. On the other hand, if you're building a system that requires high availability, horizontal scaling is usually the way to go. Distributed databases like Cassandra and MongoDB are built to handle large-scale workloads by spreading data across multiple servers. The key factors to consider are your budget, workload, and long-term goals. Vertical scaling might work well in short term, but for true resilience and performance, horizontal scaling is often the better choice. So there you are, vertical versus horizontal scaling, two approaches, each with their strengths and weaknesses. Which one would you choose from the system? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for more content on building scalable, high-performance systems.